as a church, of course, we worship God every Sunday in church, but then at the end of the service, the last words are, go in peace to love and serve the Lord. We seek to go out into the community, into the world, put our faith into practice. And this is an important way that we can do that, by helping people who are in need, people who are on their own, by bringing to them the love of God and showing them that they're not alone, showing them that there is a community around them that cares for them.
I've always been to the church and I felt I was missing something in my life. There was something I need to fulfill. And I feel, well, we've gone out and given community, I really feel so humble that I've been there with these people that are so lonely and so in need. And I just wish we could spread ourselves further.
That's the natural thing for the church to want to do, to try and serve the community that it's set in, to try and do good things for the community, and to try and bring the community together and bring some joy and love into the community which is set to serve.
Well, I've been part of the congregation in St Winifred's Church for probably 30 years, and it's a wonderful congregation to be part of. So ever since I've been here, there's always been something to do and something to volunteer for as part and parcel of being in the church and showing Christ's love to the community and also to the people within the congregation.
I got involved because I was asked by a friend, would I like to go to Company Christmas, because I haven't got any family that live close to me. I'm not judged when I go to Company Christmas, and I know that I have a problem with my eating because I have multiple sclerosis. I meet people that have been to Company Christmas in St Fagans in previous years, and we just have a good time, good meal, entertainment, and Father Christmas.
Gelwais ni dyfyd y deyrnas, cynnwrthwy a ni i adrodd stori lawen ac i adeiladu dy ddaioni yn ein byd, trwy Iesu Grist ein harglwydd. Amen.
Rejoice, heavenly powers, sing choirs of angels, exalt all creation around God's throne, sound the trumpet of salvation. Jesus Christ our King is risen.
You pulled me from the ashes, you have broken every curse. Blessed Redeemer.